Thanks for the comment, fella. 2 months instilling nothing but a few drops. Perhaps your clothes are not dried properly. No, mate. This is my suit wardrobe, and again, just limited airflow within my bedroom. And this is how much water they're pulling out. And it's just like I say, when I've changed these, it'll do it again. It's just moisture builds up in here, and the dehumidifier bag solves that problem. I use it in this wardrobe, my other two wardrobes, and I have one up by my window. So they're cheap as hell, and like I say, they do the job. But thanks for the comment, mate. I really appreciate it. And if anyone's interested in the dehumidifier bag, I've linked them below.